Hi there, I'm Jonathan Graham. I'm the Managing Director of a company called Inward Revenue Consulting. We specialise in placing salespeople in the high technology sector. I personally specialise in working with people in two areas. One is healthcare technology, which is not relevant to this conversation, and the other is BI, big data, and the analytics market space. The reason I'm making this video today, it's what we do to promote a number of the roles we're working on. I'm working with a client of mine. They are a very high growth UK consulting and solutions business in the AI and data consulting space, and they're looking for somebody to help extend their presence in the Netherlands. They have incredible in-house resource. They've got excellent references around some really exciting kinds of deals around AI and machine learning. They're paying, I calculated, roughly between 80 to 100,000 euro base, double that on the OTE. They are a very rapid growth business, and they're based right in the heart of the city of London, and they're growing their European presence quite rapidly. The role will be all about working with some major global technology brands and providing consulting solutions and strategy and rollout around those bigger brands. So you'll be really crafting very pure big data solutions. And the client pointed out to me that what they're doing here is selling the real leading edge stuff around big data rather than perhaps selling some data warehousing software, doing a bit of services around it, and then adding a data layer of visualization on top of that. This is the absolute cutting edge of data science and data science consulting at the very high end of the corporate market. You're going to be building on the back of what will already have been probably some key strategic projects that either you will have won or maybe other people will have won, and rolling out some of those projects. It's a new business role. There will be some accounts that you'll be able to go at. Obviously, this particular role in the Netherlands, it's a pure new business hunter's position. And you'll be crafting deals based on perhaps some of the existing successes that the organisation has had, and saying, okay, well, we did really well with a retailer with that project, and by doing that project, we've created some IP, and maybe what we'll do is take that IP and create a value proposition around it and roll that out to other retailers in the space. They have excellent vendor relationships who will also bring opportunities to the table. In terms of skills, obviously you need to be based in the Netherlands. You need to truly understand consulting and services selling around data and analytics. This is not a software product sales job. The client doesn't want to hire a software product sales person. They want somebody who understands, and one of the conversations I had with my client the other day was they want somebody who really understands where the big data and the data science sector is going rather than necessarily where it is. And I think the client really wants to hire somebody who's very passionate in general about that conversation and is excited and infused by it rather than just doing it because they think they can make some money. When I asked the client what kind of people succeed in the business, his view was, he said, people who are active and who get out on the streets as sales professionals, who self-generate some conversations, who take their successes and leverage them into other successes. But most importantly, he said they really are very active, very busy, they're always in front of customers, they're always having that conversation. The final thing that the client's really looking for is people who've got very good, very deep business acumen. And he wants people who are going to demonstrate that at interview as part of their approach to crafting the solution. People who understand the businesses of the businesses that they're selling to, rather than just perhaps understanding their own business, and who've got an empathy with the client and what the client's trying to achieve when they're talking about the data and where they're trying to go with it. Package, as I said, it's a rough package. I need to probably get a little bit more information from my client on this one, but roughly between 70 to 90,000 pounds sterling, so whatever that would translate to in euros. I've written 80 to 100,000 here, but in reality it's between about 70 to 90,000 sterling roughly translated, times 2 OTE, super benefits. If you're interested, click on the link in the email and put a call in my diary and we can have a chat. Contact me on LinkedIn or drop me a note to jonathan@inwardrevenue.co.uk and I'm sure we can catch up in the fullness of time. Thank you. Bye-bye.